Before watching the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel by clicking subscribe button and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we upload a new video. During your science classes at school, you may have learned about the function and significance of kidneys in the human body. But how often do we consider or care about the condition of our kidneys? If we don't, we raise our chances of later acquiring kidney failures and diseases. Kidney disease risk can also be increased by diabetes and hypertension. The body's soldiers are the kidneys. They are crucial in the body's process of eliminating wastes and surplus fluid. They also assist in preserving the vital balance of water, salts, and minerals in our blood that is required for optimal health. Your kidneys' health and ability to work, however, might be affected by an unhealthy diet and inappropriate lifestyle choices. 5 harmful foods that can cause kidney damage. 1. Meats that have been processed. Bacon, sausages, hot dogs, and hamburger patties are examples of processed meats that pose a serious risk to the health of your kidneys. They contain a lot of sodium, and consuming too much of it frequently might raise blood pressure and put additional strain on your kidneys. Intake of more animal protein than plant protein has also been linked to a possible increase in the rate at which kidney disease progresses, according to research. 2. Refrigerated meals. According to our research, processed foods like frozen meals and microwavable dinners may have a role in the emergence of type 2 diabetes. Your dish may have hidden fat, sugar, or sodium due to heavy processing. Fresh and entire foods should always be prepared instead of frozen foods that can be fried or heated for quick consumption. If you must eat frozen food, choose items with the labels low sodium or no sodium added. By using fresh produce from your kitchen, you can also try to balance things out. 3. Soda. Sodas have the very little nutritional benefit and high sugar content. These increase the number of calories in your diet, which may cause weight gain. According to studies, drinking sodas may increase your risk of developing health issues like osteoporosis, which causes your bones to deteriorate and become brittle, renal illness, metabolic syndrome, and dental issues. It's necessary to return to drinking water or healthier flavored drinks like freshly squeezed lemonade instead of soda at all costs. 4. French fries. It is understandable to say that the fried types of potatoes that you consume from packaged meals like chips, or at a fast food restaurant in the shape of French fries are not good for your priceless kidneys. Avoiding deep-fried foods will help keep your heart and kidneys healthy. Additionally, high in potassium, potatoes should be avoided if you already have kidney disease. 5. Mayonnaise. Your preference for mayonnaise on salads or sandwiches can be lowering the nutritional value of your otherwise healthy, veggie-packed meals. Mayonnaise has just 103 calories per tablespoon. Mayo often has a lot of saturated fat in addition to other things. Once more, if you can't avoid it, choose a mayonnaise that is low in fat or calories, but check to see whether it also contains little to no sugar and sodium. It is recommended to use hung curd or Greek yogurt as a mayonnaise replacement because they are so healthful. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more health benefits and tips, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.